Hello children, welcome to the computer class. I hope you all are doing well and studied the previous lessons properly. So today I will discuss the last portion of chapter 3, that is output devices. So in the last class we had learned about two output devices which are printer and speakers. Now what is the use of printer? The printers are used to print any picture from a computer to a paper, and the use of the device speaker is it is used to listen to any sound that is recorded into a computer. Clear? So this is the two device that we had learned in the last class. Now today I will discuss about a device that is called plotter. See, this is the picture of a plotter. Okay, the plotter is also an output device. Now the plotter is like a big printer. So in the last class, I had discussed that when we store any picture or any text into a computer, we can print the picture. That means we can print the image or the text on a paper using printer. এটাই প্রিন্টারের কাজ. Plotter is similar like a printer. Okay, plotter is look like a big printing device. See in the picture, plotter is also look like a big printing device, and its use is similar with a printer. Okay, so it is also used to print output from the computer on a paper like a printer. Okay, so like a printer, plotter is also used to print any output on a sheet of paper. Okay, the output that is stored in the computer, the output যেটা আমরা কম্পিউটারে স্টোর করতে পারবো, সেই আউটপুটটা যেরকম আমরা প্রিন্টার দিয়ে কোনো একটা পেপারে প্রিন্ট করতে পারি, সিমিলারলি প্লটার দিয়েও সেই আউটপুটটা আমরা কম্পিউটার থেকে কোনো পেপারে প্রিন্ট করতে পারবো. ক্লিয়ার? সো প্লটার ইজ অলসো আ প্রিন্টিং ডিভাইস and it is an output device. Okay, now the plotter is mostly used to display or print large graphical output on the paper. Okay, plotter is mainly used to print large images. See in the next picture, how after printing any device, any picture, the picture become, this is the plotter machine, and in this way the plotter is printing any picture, any big image on a paper. Okay, see দেখো এটা একটা প্লটার মেশিন. এবার যখন প্লটারে কোনো পেপার or কোনো ইমেজ প্রিন্ট হয়ে বেরিয়ে আসে, তো ইটস লুক লাইক দিস. ওকে, এই যে এই যে প্লে এই যে this is the place of the machine from where the printing paper will come out. ওকে, এইখান থেকে এই প্রিন্টিং পেপারটা ইমেজটা পেপার হয়ে বেরিয়ে আসে. ওকে, so that see in the picture, the plotter can print big images, suppose big maps, big chart. আমরা কখনো কখনো কোনো চার্ট তৈরি করি না, চার্ট পেপারে বিগ চার্ট. So this type of big chart যদি আমরা কম্পিউটারে করি, okay, and then when we want to print the big chart, then we have to use the plotter. Okay, so printer দিয়ে আমরা কি করতে পারি, ছোট ছোট কোনো ইমেজ যখন আমরা কম্পিউটারে ড্র করি, সেই ছোট ইমেজ গুলো প্রিন্ট করতে গেলে we can use printer. But if we want to print a big image like a big chart or any big image, then we have to use the machine plotter. Clear? So this is the use of the machine plotter. So with plotter, we have ended the discussion of this chapter. That means chapter 3 is end here. Now we will solve some question answer of skill sheet book. So this is page number 14 of your skill sheet book. Okay, page number 14 of your skill sheet book. So we have to solve the question answer of this page. So first is select the correct option for each of the following. Okay, in the bracket there are some options given and you have to select the correct option and then fill in the blank. Okay, the first is the dash is the process of producing results. Producing results মানে কি? Producing output. So the answer is very easy. The output is the process of producing results. Next, number 2 is dash is an output device which display the output on the monitor. We know keyboard output display করে না, and printer is display output on the screen না, printer is display output on a paper, so the answer will be monitor which display output on the screen. Next is the output displayed on the paper by the printer is called hard copy. Okay, when the output is stored into the computer, it is called soft copy, and when the output printed on a paper, then it is called a hard copy. Clear? Next, number 4 is a dash is used to record different sound. Okay, so we know that using speaker, so speaker is the output device, so using speaker we can listen to any sound that is recorded into a computer. But how can we record the sound? Using the microphone. Okay, using microphone, first we have to record the sound, then using speaker we can listen to the sound. So the answer is here microphone. Now the number 5 is dash is used to display large output on the paper. Now what আমি এক্ষুনি পড়িয়েছি, which is display the large output on the paper? Plotter. Okay, plotter is used to display the large output on the paper. Next, number 6 is dash also come in the form of headphones. So I had discussed that when we are watching a movie with entire family, then we have to use the speaker to listen to the sound. Computer থেকে যে soundটা আসবে, if the sound has to listen by the entire family, then we have to use the speaker. But if you want to listen to the sound alone, তুমি যদি একা কোনো sound শুনতে চাও without disturbing any other member in the family, then we have to use the headphones. তুমি তোমার হেডফোনসটাকে ইয়ারফোনস অর হেডফোনসটাকে নিজের ইয়ারে প্লেস করে তুমি একাই সেই সাউন্ডটা শুনতে পাবে উইদাউট ডিস্টার্বিং আদার্স। ওকে, সো হোয়াট উইল বি দ্য আনসার? স্পিকার্স। স্পিকার্স অলসো কাম ইন দ্য ফর্ম অফ হেডফোন। যখন সেটা একটা ডিভাইস, বড় ডিভাইস হিসাবে ইউজ হবে স্পিকার, দেন অনেকজন একসাথে সাউন্ড শুনতে পাবে। বাট কেউ যদি একা কোনো সাউন্ড শুনতে যায়, দেন he or she have to use the headphone, which is the form of speaker. Clear? Next, answer the following question. Number 1, name the different output devices. So the different output devices are monitor, printer, flicker, plotter, etc. Clear? Next, which is a monochrome monitor? Monitor which display images in two colors, black and white, are called monochrome monitor. Okay, monitor যে মনিটর গুলো ব্ল্যাক এন্ড হোয়াইট প্রিন্টার ইমেজ প্রিন্ট ডিসপ্লে করে, the monitors are called monochrome monitor. Name the different types of printer. The different types of printer are dot matrix printer, then line printer, laser printer, inkjet printer. Okay, so according to their printing quality or printing type, there are different printers, and the name হচ্ছে dot matrix, line printer, laser, inkjet. Clear? So all of you, after reading the chapter or reading the topic from your computer book, solve the page number 14 of your computer skill sheet book. Clear? So students, thank you and take care.